Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
We're here this morning for the official inauguration of the board of the Oyo State Security Network Agency, codenamed Amotekun. Since the passing out of the 1,500 member Amotekun Corps in November last year, they have been operating under the leadership of General Togo and the Commandant, Colonel Olaniju. But as we continue to expand our security architecture and improve our neighborhood watch system, and also in fulfillment of the law setting up the Amotekun Corps, we have to inaugurate the board, and that is exactly what we're doing here this morning. The law establishing the Oyo State Security Network Agency and Amotekun Corps to assist in maintaining law and order in the state, and for other matters connected therewith, stipulates the establishment of a governing board in Section 7. So, in fulfillment of that section of the law, we are called on Brigadier General Tunde Togo as the chairman, Colonel Bisiri Olayinka Olaniju, State Commandant, Mrs. Akimbode Iyabode, the Secretary to the board. There will be representative of the Commissioner of Police. Maybe they are not sure where the law stands in relation to them. That's why we didn't see them this morning. Yeah, it's a fragile federal arrangement so far. I am supposed to be the Chief Security Officer, but I don't have control over the Commissioner of Police and the reports to Abuja. And this is obvious this morning. If she sent to IG for permission to attend this, if she didn't get any response, this is what you will see. And even if we ask that, look, there is an urgent security issue that I have to deal with in the state, and I call them, the federal agencies, if they don't get the approval from their bosses at the federal level, they still won't show reading out their names. Yes, they are from a particular government, but of importance to us here is their senatorial district, because we want a representative from each of the senatorial districts in Oyo State. So, Commodore Rasaki Adani Babalola, even though from the local government, he is representing Oyo South senatorial district. Lord Mr. Ogunowo Samson, the Ogbomoso North local government, was representing Oyo North senatorial district. Mrs. Amusat Khadijat Ronke, Oyo West local government, but she's representing Oyo Central senatorial district. And we have a Kabiyesi Nketu of the Dairy, because we have to get the buy-in of our traditional institutions. So Kabiyesi is representing the traditional educational institution in Oyo State. And I have the executive assistant on security control, Sunday Lukoya. So with the names mentioned, I hereby pronounce the governing board of Oyo State Security Network Agency inaugurated. We believe that with the inauguration of this board today, we will see even more visible action in securing Oyo State, especially in the area of fostering relationships between Amotekun, Oyo State, and similar security network agencies in our neighboring states, Ondo, Osun, and Ekiti states. We also expect more interagency cooperation within the states. Remember that one of the reasons we started the Amotekun Corps is to bring security operatives closer to the people. We were asking for state police. We couldn't get that because that involved amending the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and it is a big task. But while we're waiting for that, we believe hopefully that will pass at some point. We have to move on, and that is what gave us to Amotekun. Although on many occasions, I've watched the videos, Amotekun Corps are faced with superior firepower. They are not licensed to carry weapons like AK-47, but we see bandits carrying such weapons. So, for members of the Corps, with that visible, challenges that they are faced with, they have been able to fill the gap successfully of local policing. It's been difficult, but they have been doing it. So if things as they are now, we wonder how things might have been without Amotekun Corps. So with this board, the heads of other security agencies are expected to provide the higher end coverage that is needed for the Amotekun Corps to function. I've been listening and watching people, try to politicize the issue of security. Well, I want to appeal to such individuals within the state. It is our state. It's only God that puts people in a position. If you want to destroy your state before everybody to gain political power, wonder, the kind of state such individual or group of people want to decide over. We've seen cases where a doctor videos to discredit Amotekun. We've seen cases where people go out and outrightly lie. And I've seen calls from people saying, now, everybody I see on the streets, they are advisor on security. So I wonder if they want me to start which agent and I'll put them in there. They have all sort of advice to give to me. And you ask them, where have you practiced your own security? They haven't gone beyond their speech. Maybe they organize a neighborhood watch and they think that is the qualification to advise us on the issue of security. Well, some of these people mentioning, insecurity is the major challenge in Oyo State. Yes, the country is going through quite a bit. But I challenge them to a debate. I am ready. Let it be 100%. Let them come and tell us what they will be doing differently. They have nothing to offer the people of Oyo State, apart from wanting to ride on the perception of insecurity, to gain prominence. They should wait. Let us build Oyo State together. If it is God's will for them to be in power in 2023, if God will do it for them easily. But we must not destroy our state. We must not politicize insecurity. Yes, some people did it at the national level and they gained power in 2015, but Nigerians are wiser. We'll continue to take the issue of security of lives and property and people being able to go about their lawful endeavors in Oyo State seriously. And we also need to know that because of the policies of this administration, a lot of people are coming to Oyo State. And when you have more and more people coming in, you will come with its own set of challenges. It will also come with opportunities as well. In the days ahead, we will also let the people of Oyo State know new things that we're doing as far as security is concerned. And then when they see, they must give them total support. Yes, I can go to Ijoga and take responsibility for some of these activities, but security is our collective responsibility. It's not just for the government, it's not just for the governor. So everybody needs to come on board and play their own part. So on this note, the board is inaugurated, and I want to especially use this opportunity to wish the board members the best. It's a tough period to be started with the responsibility of looking after Amotekun. You have issues on ground to deal with. You have cooperation with the federal agencies, that you have to also try and work with. And you have people that are really impatient, because they want to sleep with their two eyes closed. And then you have the government that is supposed to fund this adequately, being hampered because of the economic situation. So I wish you all the best. I declare this body inaugurated to the glory of God and for the benefit of the good people of the state. Thank
you. Immediately after the national anthem, there will be a group photograph with His Excellency Abukalo.